Hey there, everybody. Welcome to CyberGameway's merchandise designing tutorial. Today, I'm going to take you through all the steps and how to design, list, and sell your own merchandise using your own art. And we're going to go through this step by step. So here we go. From your dashboard login, you're going to want to go to the decorated products section on the menu. From the decorated products menu, you're going to click in the top right, create decorated product. From the left, choose and navigate through a bunch of our different categories. If you're looking for accessories, a backpack, a duffel bag, or some hats, or if you're looking for more apparel like clothing, you can choose that here. Once you've selected the piece that you want to design, in the bottom, click Save and Continue. This is the designer page. To add a design, simply click on the Add Design button. It'll be a digital print. Choose the proper design that will work for the product. Now you have the ability, once you've chosen the design, you can, position it how you want, or you can drag and drop, up to you. If you're looking for just a quick alignment, you have alignment here on the right, which is the center horizontally or center vertically. If you want to rotate your design, rotate it here. If you want to remove the design, simply click on the X. If your design's quality is not to standards, you will get an orange bar that'll appear here on the right to show that it will not be printed properly because of the design. On the bottom, you'll notice all the product colors. You can click each color to see what the shirt will look like in that color. Once you've selected your design, you've chosen either if you wanted to add some text as well, if you wanted to say CyberGame, or I'll put my tag up there, I'm feeling lucky. If you have the RGB for it, you can put the RGB in. I'm just grabbing a random one that looks pretty spot on. Go ahead and align it properly. Let's say on the back, you can toggle the front or back at the bottom of the merchandise. On the back, if you wanted to add a team name, you would say put a fun number up there. Let's see what happens when we hit 15. We could say and then put a number of your choosing. We're gonna change this to our colors. Actually, I'm gonna change the name. I'll go to the front. We'll change this to CyberGameway. Get it so that it fits properly. Okay. Align it. And there you go. So a fun little quick t-shirt jersey design if you're looking for something like that for yourself. Once you finish with your design, click on Save and Continue in the bottom. At the top, you want to name the product. So I think I'll just say Lucky's jersey t-shirt, or t-shirt jersey, if that makes more sense. Now, if you choose to append the product name, here's what it'll look like. For example, give it a description. You can choose existing categories that you've already made, or if you want to make a new one, you could just say jerseys. Or you could even say jersey designs, however you want. The position, new decorated products come in at the beginning or the end of the list. So do you want it to come up at the beginning of the list, or is this something that you feel needs to go towards the end of your list on your merch page? Next is the customization. You can allow customers to change design elements, positioning, text, etc. of your design. So do you want your customers, your people who are purchasing your stuff, to be able to further customize the merchandise that you have listed and have created? Allow users or do not allow them, and then continue at the bottom. Next, we're going to deal with all of the colors of that product. Sometimes your design doesn't look good on, a certain base color product. So if you want to go through and toggle all of the different colors of the product, you can do so here. If you want to use all of the colors, just simply check that and all colors there, tick it, and then all of the colors will then be assigned. If you say you only want certain ones, just make sure you uncheck the boxes of the colors that you don't want listed. Once that's done, go ahead at the bottom, save and continue through. Awesome. Next, this is going to take you to the pricing breakdown of your product that you just created. So here you'll see the product name, what you selected, the 3001 Bella and Canvas t-shirt. If you hover over, you'll see your design. It'll give you the wholesale price. That's our cost. So the cost from CyberGameway to you. The default markup. So we've set all of the default markups to be 33% of the wholesale price. So that would come out to a $16 retail price of the cost to your supporters, to your clients. Now, if this is changeable, you can go in and choose if you would like either a flat percentage, just add it on everything, or if you want to actually change the pricing individually, then you want to untick this button and then put your pricing in here. So if you think you want, $25 for this t-shirt jersey, then you can put that in. You can also click on viewing the breakdown so you can see where everything is at with it. So your wholesale cost is $12. Your markup is then 108%. You will then see that the PayPal fee is then 39 cents from your total retail price. And then next is your commission. So how the breakdown works is it would be for a $12 shirt and you're charging $25, the difference would be $13. But because there's a PayPal fee, it'll be $13 minus the PayPal fee will then give you this commission. This is how much your total earnings will be off of that shirt. Click save. And there you are. You've now listed your first piece of merchandise. So then if we wanted to view your merchandise on your website, we'll just go to your website, pages. We'll then do a quick little preview. We'll go to merchandise, and there it is. It'll be listed.